So, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the new Qled 8K. This is the Qn900B. Last year we opened the 900A. So today we are unboxing this baby. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. So this is how it looks like inside. It will come with the connection. Those will be our wires. Then the stand. Then this will be all stand. So this is how it will look inside. Okay, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Those will be our stands. It's unboxed by the professionals. You want to say hi?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? Okay. So for your information, this TV doesn't come with a board inside. So if you're asking, this is where you'll connect the wire we saw before when we opened. So this will be its board. So it means each and everything like USBs you'll have to attach here. This will be the power. Whatever connection you want, it's coming here. There is the HDMI ports, we have the USB, we have the satellite, we have the Ethernet optical. So let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, just one thing. I'll show you. This is how it looks in the front. On the sides, yeah. Okay, now we are going to start with the installation job. So here we'll screw our TV like the stand. After that, we'll go on the next step. So that's how it enters. Remember, the board will be sitting here. Sorry. The board will be here like that. So here we go. Wow. So satisfying. So for your information, this is the new one. That's the side comparison between the two. The spring is totally the same. And another thing, what I've seen, the difference will be the textures. Can you show them the texture behind? So this will be the texture for the old one. Can you zoom in? So this is the texture for the old one. Show them the new one. It's exactly this is 2022 model. That's 2021 model. But if you check in the front, speakers will be the same. Most of them will come with 8 speakers at the back. Although the texture behind is what you can differentiate between. So we are going to set it up right now. So the difference, I'll show you something. The difference, this is the old remote. So the new remote is coming with a Disney Plus. You know, in UAE and Middle East, they introduced the Disney Plus. It's coming this month. I think it's 8th or something, or 20 something. So, but whatever, this month we'll be receiving the Disney Plus in the Middle East, and this is the new remote. The old one, there is a difference of 1 button more. This is the old one, this is the new one. So yalla, let's start. So after, right now we've connected the remote to the TV. You have to connect it via Bluetooth. So we are starting the new setup. Comes in different languages, but we'll use the English for today. We can use the Malayalam, Swahili, or whatever, which other language? Hindu? Arabic? Okay. So this is what you have to connect, but we'll skip that to next. Okay? We'll skip the internet part. Then you can set if you're going to use with the LEO, if you're going to use the satellite or whatever. We'll go with the no signal. So you can decide to set it up. Take your view next time, whatever. We'll skip that. Set for later. And here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Qn900B, the 2022 model. So now that's the TV, so you can do your connection, whatever you can do, but for the moment I'll set it in demo mode. So if you realize there is a difference, the operating system is kind of different from the 2021. This is, I think, much simpler, and I love it. Yeah, so we'll set it in demo mode for us, since it's gonna be for the display at the store. You'll go to Geno if you want to set. This is gonna be in store mode, so the password is normally 0 for Samsung once you're setting it up. Demo. If you set in demo, the light will increase, and here we start our TV. Yes. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our channel.